Hundreds of children are incarcerated in adult prison in northeastern Syria, the International Committee of the Red Cross said on Wednesday, disclosing their flights as inmates for the first time. The Assam Pradesh Congress Committee has condemned the statement of BJP National President JP Nadda that Congress leaders are political tourists. Delhi police on Wednesday sent an email to Twitter India asking them to take down all child pornographic content and share details of the Twitter accounts that had circulated such media on the microblogging site. The Supreme Court on Wednesday directed the PM-led National Disaster Management Authority to quantify within 6 weeks that ex gratia amount to be paid on the families of nearly 4 lakhs novel coronavirus victims. Bombay High Court on Wednesday told the state government to stop political rallies that flout COVID-19 protocol. With northwestern part of the country reeling under heat wave condition due to break in monsoon, the Indian Meteorological Department on Wednesday said further advance of southwest monsoon into remaining part of Rajasthan, Delhi, Haryana and Punjab is not likely till July 7. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Tirth Singh Rawat was on Wednesday urgently summoned to Delhi to meet the BJP central leadership, fueling speculations in political circles that the state could be headed for early assembly elections. The United States said on Wednesday it would add a third gender option on US passports for people who do not define as male or female in a victory for non-binary and intersex Americans. Union Minister Piyush Goyal on Wednesday said that sadly European countries and many other developed nations are not supporting the proposal of India and South Africa in the WTO on the temporary waiver of patent norms to deal with COVID-19 crisis. Mandira Bedi's husband Raj Kaushal passed away on Wednesday morning after suffering a heart attack. Several celebs like Ashish Chaudhary, Ronit Rai, Dinu Maurya and other TV personalities attended his funeral in the morning.